Yeah, that guy's got the crazy green feet. You see the crazy neon green feet? They're not even fully webbed. It's like just webbed on each toe. What?
I got baby gooses.
Oh, I don't see the baby geese.
I want baby gooses.
Well, look, there's tiny baby duckies. Here come some baby duckies.
Well, I don't see them.
They're coming over there. Sweet.
I need a water.
Oh, the ducks don't like that guy. They don't let him get anything. The guy with the black feathers and the bright red eye.
I see them. Look red. Big. Look red.
Yeah, he wants spread. Here, hand me a piece. Give me a tiny piece.
You see them. That duck gets it. Look, that baby.
Yeah, you got a little bread, and then Lucky grabs it and he runs away. I thought those guys ate fish, but I guess they eat bread. Okay, he's gone.